everyone, welcome to Empire Club. Welcome back again on another episode. The recent aviation exhibition I attended was the Airport Show 2023 at Dubai World Trade Center. And to your knowledge, I happened to bypass the using traditional ID covers into a recyclable material, something like this. And I want to emphasize everybody to use these kind of materials over single-use plastics. And it was me today. I hope everybody would agree with me and then start using for a better future. Alright, unlike giving a complete walk around tour of the show, I thought of making it a little more interesting and informative for viewers to watch. So I picked a few companies and I studied them how they're going to change for the future. So I put the links down in the description, and if you need further information you can always reach me out. So here we go. My first stop was the ATS LLC, the aircraft towing system, which creates a fully automatic aircraft taxi system from runway to the parking stand and back to the runway. As you can see, it runs on a railing system, and the nose landing gear gets locked into a tow dolly to maneuver throughout the taxi. Little that I know was the fact that Taxiboard was introduced back in 2014. However, ATS is more advanced and it's fully automatic, safe, fuel saving, noise reducing, cost efficient, and catering to the demands of carbon emission environment. And my next stop was the Apron AI, the turnaround monitoring module using artificial intelligence or AI to optimize the live operation and avoid potential delays. How is it monitored? Let's have a look. The computerized vision capture events to optimize the apron operation based on series of timestamps and events. The machine learning algorithm takes accurate control over turnaround process, which ultimately reduce cost, improve on-time performance, and create a transparent turnaround process.
Up next, it's the Honeywell Navitas. Honeywell Navitas is an air traffic control management system.
It's a comprehensive solution for planning, analyzing, control, and monitoring of air and ground traffic by the controllers having all the information they need at a glance. By integrating all systems into a single touchscreen, this module helps air traffic controllers to communicate more effectively with pilots while optimizing their workload for responsiveness and planning. The remote tower concept is the next-gen air traffic control system, and soon we will be able to see the improvements of these kind of modules to cater the increasing demands for the air travel. Now, one of the highlighted stand which got me impressed every year was the Navitas, the sustainable apron. I remember back in 2022, the airport show was massive, where they had ground service equipments on a huge area. So as same as it is this year, it's a whole new setup of electric ground service equipments designed to transport cargo and catering. And not forgetting the latest and specially designed passenger transporter dedicated to people of determination. This whole new setup is pretty much straightforward, as I can see the company expanding their support for carbon negative operation with an investment of $100 million in infrastructure and development, and on the other hand with a pledge of achieving 50% reduction in carbon footprint by the year 2030, which is quite phenomenal, and I haven't seen any air service provider with an agenda up to that extent. Moving on to some emergency equipment, NAFCO Aviation displayed a giant firefighting truck, adding to the latest edition. Now it's got me quite interesting because I'm working on an airport emergency blog at the moment, so this boosts up my energy to a little extent. It is hard to determine where to draw the line while choosing the best product at the airport show. So here's my take, and I'm sure you might have a different list if you attend the event. And also not forgetting the ADB SafeGate, Hadid International Services and Smith's Detection Security Solutions were also to be highlighted on this occasion. Overall, the Airport Show 2023 was something advanced compared to the previous years, and RX Global has put up an outstanding show. And also not forgetting the 10th anniversary of the Women's in Aviation took a whole new shape to the entire show, where we prioritize the women's representation in the aviation sector. Alright, it's time to wrap up now. Thank you for sticking with me. Be sure to subscribe Aim High Club if you haven't subscribed yet. If you still need another round, be sure to stick around with me. Got some interesting lineup of vlogs coming up. Until I see you again, stay safe and stay strong.